Okay, it's time for lunch, and I'm going to the Dirty Bird charcoal grilled and fried chicken. This is what they're promoting a couple weeks ago. All right, let's go. I ordered the Dirty Donald. This was probably promoting when the summit was here in Vietnam. Okay, my burger has arrived with an American flag. It's called the Dirty Donald. It's a double cheeseburger patty with bacon, a spicy mayonnaise, lettuce, and fries. The Dirty Donald. This was a promotional item pushed when President Donald Trump and Kim from North Korea were here for the summit. Okay, I cut it in half. Look at that. Can you see that? Okay, my first bite. Very good. The spicy mayonnaise, really good. The meat is really tasty, tender. Not at all overcooked, and not even undercooked. It has the taste and texture, consistency, I guess that's the word, of a medium rare. But it looks well done. It's just really, really good. I really like this. Good flavor, everything. It's a double patty, double cheese, bacon. I'm going to say some type of lettuce, possibly onion, with a spicy dressing or mayonnaise. Alright, so I like this. The Dirty Bird in Hanoi. The fries are even good. Thin cut. Lightly salted. Crispy on the outside. Fluffy and light on the inside, and warm. How often do you get fries? Warm fries. I love it. Look at that burger. So good. I got a beer. This is called Saigon beer. It was in the bottle. Saigon special. I like it. It's great. Hong got grilled chicken. Is it good?
Very good.
Very good. She doesn't want to be on camera. But her chicken looks good. The burger is outstanding. I like it. I'd come here. I would definitely come here again. I really like it. The dressing is outstanding. The mayonnaise is spicy. It's outstanding. Okay. So, one quick view outside, and then I'm going to go. And hopefully the music is good. Okay, well, it's time to say see you next time.